All right, kiddos, gather round for today's English lesson. Today we're going to talk about the idiom, an arm and a leg. Now I know what you're thinking. Why would anyone want to give up their arm and leg? Well, don't worry, it's just a saying. When we say something costs an arm and a leg, we mean it's really expensive, like super duper expensive. So if you want to buy a new toy that costs an arm and a leg, you better start saving up your allowance. Now, let's use this idiom in a sentence. Imagine you want to buy a fancy new bike, but it costs an arm and a leg. You might say, I really want that bike, but it costs an arm and a leg. I'll have to wait until my birthday to get it. The origin of this idiom is a bit mysterious. Some people think it comes from the idea that back in the olden days, artists would charge more money to paint a portrait if they had to paint the person's arm and leg in the picture. But who knows for sure? So remember, when something costs an arm and a leg, it's just a fun way of saying it's really expensive. Now go out there and use this idiom in your everyday conversations.